Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting your dataset and confirming a clean header row. This gives Excel the field labels it needs. Once selected, add filters with Ctrl+Shift+L or Data Filter so each column shows a drop-down arrow. Make sure there are no merged cells or completely blank rows inside the range, because they break the filter scope. Now that arrows appear, you're ready to pick a column and choose what values, condition, or text you want to show. This starts the active filtering process. Now you refine results by opening a columns filter dropdown and using checkboxes for simple value selection, which is fast for categorical data. For precision, pick text filters, number filters, or date filters to set conditions like contains, greater than, or between. These apply logic rather than manual tick boxes. Apply filters across several columns sequentially to intersect criteria. Excel updates visible rows immediately. If you need a custom filter, use the Custom Filter dialog to combine and slash or rules. To finish, clear or remove filters when you want the full dataset back. Use Data Clear or press Ctrl+Shift+L to toggle filters off and reveal all rows. Export or copy the visible rows only if you need a filtered snapshot. If expected rows aren't appearing, verify data types are consistent, numbers stored as text can be excluded, and look for leading / trailing spaces or hidden rows that block matches. If a filter seems stuck, temporarily convert the range to a proper Excel table and reapply filters to reset behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.